Hi guys, welcome back to Ajishwas English channel. Today our topic how to convince people. So my dear guys, if you want to convince people, so you need to understand communication skill. If you know very well communication skill, then you can convince people. But if you don't know communication skill, then you cannot convince people. First of all, think if you want to become a great and public speaker, so you need to learn communication skill. If you learn communication skill, then you can make great English speaker. You can make great answer public speaker. We need to learn and public speaking. We need to learn communication skill because without learn communication skill you cannot and talk another person. So communication is skill is very most important for our life. If you learn and communication skill, if you understand communication skill, if you work on communication skill, you can make great in public speaker, you can make great answer whatever. First of all thing, you need to work on communication skill. When will you do work your communication skill, then you can make a great anything whatever. So first of all, the communication skill is very most important for our life. Thanks for watching my video guys.